Welcome back. Well, we have big changes in the offing for Acadiana as we move into next week. Winter on the way. Before that, maybe a severe weather threat. So let's get over to the key wall, take a look at these bullet points as we move forward. Quiet, seasonable temperatures as we head into the weekend, where you got sunshine returning for tomorrow during the afternoon. Clouds, though, returning Saturday. And then as we get into Sunday afternoon and evening, maybe some strong storms as a strong cold front will be coming on through. And then the coldest temperatures of the winter season, maybe all winter long, coming for the middle part of next week. We'll see how the rest of January and February goes, but certainly the coldest air so far on the way. First up, though, this is the next weather maker. This is a big storm system that's going to be producing winter weather across much of the U.S., well north of our region, and also the subtropical jet stream is going to get involved, and that's going to help probably aid in our shower and thunderstorm ability as we head into Sunday. Right now, winter weather advisories. These are all watches beginning to bust out across the high plains. They'll be spreading eastward and then back to the west. Winter storm watches and winter storm warnings from the Sierra Nevada up through Montana in advance of that next weather system that's going to produce plenty of rain as well. Meanwhile, locally, we've been seeing the clouds coming in. We have light virga showing up on some of the radars. This is precip that's probably not reaching the ground, but we're starting to get some returns, and we're probably going to see some light sprinkles overnight tonight, maybe a shower or two that is enough to wet the ground, but it's going to be in and out pretty quickly with this weak disturbance and a return flow trying to come back in. But another ridge of high pressure will build southward during the course of the day tomorrow. So here we see those little sprinkly showers showing up. We're stopping at midnight tonight. They'll last for several hours. But then as we get into tomorrow, especially by mid-morning into the afternoon hours, back to sunny skies. Temperatures mild in the mid to upper 60s. Normal high this time of year, 62. Normal low, 44. So we'll be above both for tonight into tomorrow. Then moving into Saturday, not quite as mild with cloud cover dominating across the area. A few sprinkles possible, and then we'll be watching this area of low pressure. That's going to be the big winter storm maker to the north and perhaps a severe weather maker to the south as we get into Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. And here's the latest Euro model showing rain and storms moving into the area Sunday afternoon into early Sunday evening, and that's going to be followed by a shot of some Arctic air that'll be moving in. Question is, how cold is it going to get? And we're still about 10 degrees apart between the European model and the GFS model, which makes big differences because we might see some winter precip toward the end of next week, maybe nearby. We'll see, but maybe not here in Acadiana. I'm going for cold rains. But in the near term, the Storm Prediction Center for Sunday is indicating a low-end chance, a level 2 out of 4. It's not minimal for the possibility of severe storms with that frontal boundary. And again, I would favor the central part of the state, northern part of the state on northeastward for seeing that greatest risk of severe weather as we move into Sunday. But in the near term tonight, it's going to be milder upper 50s to lower upper 40s to lower 50s for the northern parishes, low to mid 50s I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast. So some 10 degrees milder than last night, so you might not need the heat as much tonight. And then mid 60s your high tomorrow with mostly sunny skies returning. 68 is what we'll go with in Lafayette, and maybe pushing 70 down towards St. Mary Parish and the coastal parishes. So overnight tonight, 54 is going to be your low, not as chilly. The clouds coming in, a few sprinkles possible, but again, just a nuisance. Rain chance 30–40%, and that might be pushing it. Then for tomorrow, morning clouds first thing in the morning, but we go mostly sunny. It's going to be a nice day. Temperatures topping out in the upper 60s. Into the 10-day forecast we go. Look at this, 80% chance of storms, probably going higher on Sunday. A high in the mid to upper 70s, and then we're some 30 to 40 degrees colder as we go into Monday morning, Monday afternoon. Winter temperatures, lows at night, upper 20s to lower 30s, maybe a hard freeze for Senla, and then we'll be watching for the possibility of precipitation to develop Thursday, Friday. I think it's going to be cold rains here, but it could be frozen not too far away. Not snow, but maybe freezing rain or sleet. We'll talk more about that, though, in the days ahead. In the near term, look out for Sunday. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.